To our dear friends in the Kurdish community in Germany and to Kurdish communities throughout the world, we've always felt a very strong affinity with Kurdish people. The Jewish people living in Israel of Kurdish origin have such incredibly strong and rich traditions which we all admire and we all enjoy. But today we wish you Beroz Ben Newroz, and for us this is an important occasion as it is for you. It's the beginning of the spring, the beginning of the new year, and it's a time of regeneration in which we can begin to rebuild ourselves, rebuild our community and strengthen us as we move forward. And this is a particularly important time. The Kurdish community, like everyone else, has faced the pandemic over the last year, which has been so difficult to deal with in many different levels. And also in the Middle East, the Kurdish communities have continued to face different challenges. But on this day of Newroz, I want you all to know that Israel and the Kurdish people stand very close together. We have a great deal of admiration for you. You are a great inspiration of how a people that is so challenged by so many different quarters still can stand and live in its community with such pride and dignity. And for us, this is a great lesson and a great inspiration. Happy Newroz.